How to blur a photo in story on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go to your Instagram, then tap on this plus icon, then go to story, select a picture, and then if you want to blur it, tap on this effects, go all the way, and you will find blur effects, several blur effects just like this, and you can now post it. You can also find other effects using the search icon if you do not like the blur filters that you got. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.